Yes, good morning. Happy Sunday everyone. For today's devotional is in Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. And it says that, "But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and not faint." Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. So reflection, guys. When you wait on God, trusting Him, praying and depending on His timing, He gives you strength that no problem can take away. God lifts you higher like an eagle's, give you endurance in hard seasons, and keeps you steady even when life feels heavy. Waiting on God is not being passive. It is trusting that He is working behind the scenes. So that is the meaning of Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. Again, waiting upon the Lord gives us strength. It gives us hope in every seasons of our life. Even in our hard times, we shall be like eagles. We will soar above hardships, trials, and tribulation in life. Good morning once again. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.